blessing of Ma Durga, Buddha school also flourished a lot. Then we went to a Balkanji Badi. In Balkanji Badi, that also was very small, a small place. But with Ma's blessing, even that area also flourished and become very big today. Then we thought Tulip Star, nothing is going to happen in Tulip Star because of the big area and a lot of litigation and all. But with Ma's blessing, again, that area also has flourished a lot. So we don't have a choice but to come to SNTT College now. So that is our new venue. And this venue, compared to Tulip Star, is much bigger. Eva Pandal was there 100 feet. Today it is 150 feet. Breadth it was 80 feet, we have got about 200 feet. So length, breadth, parking point, every point of view, SNTT is definitely more expensive. And not expensive, better location I would say. Expensive of course is there.
That being the oldest and the largest puja in the world, now we moved to a bigger venue. What is the theme this year that we have?
Theme. What is the theme, Samrat?
Secret.
We're Moroccan.
Tell me.
So this time, like every year, we have a certain theme. So this time, we are trying to do something different. It could be like a Moroccan type of a theme, but that will not let go of our culture, which is going to be more present over here, our traditions. That won't change. It's going to be more beautiful, more bigger, and as this is the new venue, we want the world to see us in a new place, in a new way. And I hope this year we shall go beyond everybody's expectations. So let's see.
Mainak, you have to pass any comment?
Not on the theme, but one thing just to add to what Shamrat is saying, what we are doing differently this year is that
One minute, let the plane pass.
so
Sorry.
we are stepping up the efforts on the the social media front. This our puja already is the world's most digitally watched puja. It's just that it was not consolidated. So this year we are stepping up the efforts further. The idea is that anybody, any Bengali, or for that matter, any person who follows Durga Ma can watch whatever we are doing on various social media channels, be it Insta, YouTube, everywhere. So that is another new thing that we have been really stepping up our efforts. Last year was our first real year where we did something new. This year we are gonna make it much bigger. Like the digital scale of this puja is gonna go up a few notches this year.
The puja fever has already started. You can see the construction is happening here. Actually.
Sorry.
So preparations have already started. The construction has started. So the other puja preparations where the rituals are going to happen, that also has been upgraded in a lot of ways. And the stage is going to be a little different this time. So you feel that even though we've advanced in a different to a different venue, but the tradition and the Gharua feeling is still going to be there. I think a lot more crowd can come here this year because the area is much bigger. So we're wishing all the best for our puja here.
Where we used to feed, say about 1,000 people, now in one batch we can feed about 1,500 people. So that is the big thing. Each batch will cut 15, it's about 4-5 batches. The thing gets over faster.
Moving locations would be challenging also.
Naturally.
It's what I would like to add is I think it is more accessible for people. This is more central, and there was a little bit of limitations of space, and I think we can cater to more people here. Everybody desires to come and have a look. I think we can cater to everyone. We would request everybody to please come and visit Ma, and she is beautiful every year. And we have something really special coming up this year for the decoration also and for the cultural programs as well.
So talking about performances, I would like to ask, we have the Lair Mehndi and Preetam performing. Every year it is a variety of
This year we have, you see, Unfortunately, this year there's only 3 days of entertainment because there's Navami and Ashtami, and Navami and Dasami fall on the same day. So we have lost 1 day. We got only 3 days for entertainment this time and 2 days for Bhog. Once Mark goes away, you can't have Bhog. So, sorry. So you can't have Bhog at that on those days. So 1 day we have lost. So on Sosti we have called Pawan Kumar, the Indian Idol singer is the Pawan Kumar. Second day we got Dalit Mehendi, we'll have little Bhangra over there. And Pritam is,
Yeah.
So they are the 3 days we'll have. And
Jan, it's a new venue. What would you like to say to all the players? From Tulip to SMU.
Firstly, Debu uncle pranam.
Pranam.
And secondly, this is a family tradition of sorts for us, and we're very happy that it's shifted to SNDT. Although we're going to miss the old venue, but everyone says change is uncomfortable. I'm looking at the best side of this, and I'm very very excited about Durga Puja. Like every year, we've put in a lot of efforts, a lot of hard work. These people have worked incessantly to make this happen. So this year is going to be a different one, but I can assure you all that it's going to be as good as ever.
Even better.
the main thing is the change of venue because we have a footfall of over 1 lakh of people in a Durga Puja every day. Now that one, people will go to Tulip Star. I want those people to know through the press and through your media is what I want to say, that the venue has changed. This is what has to be hammered. So that 1 lakh of people, they don't go to Tulip Star and go back disappointed. So they should know that it's not there, it is gone to SNTT College, which I request the press of you to please hammer this point that the puja is at SNTT College. Thank you. That's good.
And one point to add, like the hallmark of our puja is the bhog. If you ask, let's say, Devu Kaka Shamrat, the first thing that we'll talk about is the bhog of our puja. And the feedback over the years had been so our bhog has grown bigger and bigger every year. And that was also one of the reasons to shift this to this venue. So we would like all of you to also, broadcast the message that we have a much bigger venue for the Bhog, which is the most special thing for all of us.
Rego, come.
So another thing I would like to point out is that the puja timings are very very early this time, very early in the morning. So any devotee who is interested in coming for the puja has to come here by 6:30 because that's when the puja will start and the timings are very limited. So especially like people who come for Shondi Pujo, that is in the morning, that will start from 6:24 a.m. So that is very important that you all know that it is a very limited time. It's all in the morning, early morning.
Well, change is always important. Change होना चाहिए life में, and change is something very new. और माँ दुर्गा का आशीर्वाद तो है ही. वो चाहती है कि कुछ और नयापन हो, कुछ नए लोग जुड़े, कुछ नया कुछ हो. So it's very important, and I feel that we all should be doing that. तो अच्छा ही होगा पूजा. सबका हार्ड वर्क है, सब मेंबर्स का हार्ड वर्क है, और सीनियर सिटीजन्स लोग बहुत हार्ड वर्क करते हैं इस पूजा के पीछे. सब लोग, the youngsters, the youth, everybody. It's a team work together, and we try to do something different every year. तो इस साल भी अच्छा ही होगा. सब माँ की कृपा है, माँ हमारी बहुत जागृत है, and it's a very historical पूजा. ये आज की पूजा नहीं है, ये बहुत ही, I think we are the 4th or 5th generations. The Lairis are in this puja, my grandparents, and of course Mukherjee uncle and Dadu and Nana and my grandparents. So then my father Bapu Lahiri, and then Rima Papa Lahiri, and now Regobi. So it's the 4th, 5th generation who has been carrying on this legacy. So of course जगह नया है और अच्छा ही होगा. सब लोग बहुत हार्ड वर्क है, पर आशा है कि आप लोग एंजॉय करें और प्लीज कम टू द पूजा, एंजॉय द पूजा, बी विद अस. और अगर कुछ भूल चुक होता है तो माफ़ी चाहते हैं, पर इट्स अ न्यू
नहीं माफ नहीं करेंगे.
तो
It's only going to be bigger and better. That's all. Look forward to bigger and better.
so hard into this puja, and all the credit goes to all the members and to everybody, to the workers, to the people, to the associates, to the PR, everybody. सबको बहुत धन्यवाद. And the main credit goes to Devu Kaka. He's the pioneer of the puja. He's the Shobrat. Everybody, the full Mukerjee family is the pioneer of the puja. And I hope you all will like this year's puja and we'll see you all there.
One thing I want to add about Rego. At the age of 13, this boy, contributed 1 lakh from his own income to the puja, to this puja.
This year also.
And 13-year-old boy contributing 1 lakh of rupees, and he does a very big thing. Very big thing. He deserves a big hand. Abhijan.
Any message that you would like to give out as concluding?
Please come, SNTT is a new venue, please come to. Maaschi.
মাসে আপনারা আসুন,
SNTT
আপনাদের জন্য
Santa
করা
Cruz.
হচ্ছে। Please. So we are looking forward to seeing you. We, like we said, that we promise you we're giving a better place, and also for parking there's some more space, and food is going to be fab as every year, and if even better. So looking forward to seeing you all. Please do come.
Thank you.
Since we have a day less in this year,
Yes.
so we have Bhog on 9 Nom also or no?
Only 2 days.
So
हाँ,
this
don't worry, जितने लोग हम cover करते हैं हम उसको cover कर देंगे
No,
क्योंकि
you see,
जगह
when,
ज़्यादा है.
when Ma is not there, you can't have a Bhog.
so
So on the
Bhog,
day she's here, you have Bhog. When she's gone away, then no
Bhog,
point
which
having
so
Bhog.
10th and 11th are the 2 days of Bhog. 10th and 11th.
October.
10th October and 11th October.
You can have Bhog otherwise, but it has no meaning. I won't say.
We'll have beautiful stalls also.
Yes, we have stalls. We have about 30 stalls over there.
Everything will be the same, only that the location is different. That's it. Otherwise, everything is going to be
You can
in
see
fact,
the
much
layout.
better.
No,
It's
the
massive.
Devi Pandal is that side. These are the things, the stalls are there.
All the adjectives: bigger, better, glamorous, tasty. Sab dal do. See you all.
Thank you. Thank you.
He wants a musical touch also, Cindy and Jan and Devu.
John.
I would like to sing one of my grandpa's classics. So, shall I begin?
Yes.
Right. यार मांगा है तुम्हीं से, आईने कार करूं. यार मांगा है तुम्हीं से, आईने कार करूं. पास बैठो जरा जो तुम इकरार करो, मुझे प्यार करो, दुर्गा पूजा को प्यार दो.
Good one, huh? Rego?
What else I can say? Oh, thank you. Well, माँ का आशीर्वाद है तो माँ के नाम पे ज़्यादा जोधा वाली बहाना वाली ओ मेरा वाली ओ तूने मुझे बुलाया शेरा वाली मैं आया शेरा वाली जय माता दी जय माता
As Rema Didi rightly said, it's Maer Junne Gachi Amra. So I would like to sing, yeah, absolutely, and I would like to sing a few lines as a homage to Ma coming and making all our lives better. Whoever knows, please join in. Of course, I'm sure you all might not be knowing it, but still I'll give it a shot. जागो তুমি जागो जागो दुर्गा जागो दश प्रहरण धारे অভয় শক্তি বল প্রদায়িনী তুমি জাগো জাগো তুমি জাগো বলো বলো দুর্গা মাই কি
জয়।
বলো বলো দুর্গা মাই কি বলো বলো দুর্গা মাই কি
Thank you. क्या करना है? मेरा क्या?
All night and go. I'll look for It's your It's your thing. Radha is your.
हम छोटा हो जाएगा
Miran,
Dawai इधर.
thank you. Thank you.
Again, Bijon